Choosing the best running shoes for men isn't just about style. It's about performance, comfort, and injury prevention. With so many options on the market, finding the perfect pair can feel overwhelming. The right shoes should match your running style, foot shape, and terrain preference, whether you're sprinting on the track, jogging around the neighborhood, or hitting long-distance trails. In this guide, we'll break down the top running shoes for men, highlighting their key features, benefits, and what makes each one stand out, so you can hit the ground running with confidence. Number 1. Nike Zoom X Invincible 3 Running Shoes. If you're a casual jogger or chasing that marathon dream, the Nike Zoom X Invincible 3 might just become your favorite running companion. It's built for runners who want serious support and stability, helping keep your stride aligned and easing the strain of pronation. If protecting your feet mile after mile matters to you, this shoe is a total game changer. Comfort is where the Invincible 3 truly shines. Thanks to Zoom X cushioning, every step feels soft, springy, and smooth. The rocker-shaped sole gives you that extra push forward, making each stride feel effortless. It's like running on clouds. Ideal for those long-distance days when comfort isn't negotiable. Worried about hot, sweaty feet? Don't be. The updated Flyknit upper is crafted with smart ventilation zones to keep your feet cool exactly where they need it. It's breathable, tough, and hugs your foot with a secure fit that doesn't feel tight or stiff. Stability gets an upgrade too. The wider midsole offers a more solid base than previous versions, and the higher foam stacks add plushness without sacrificing support. Everything about this shoe is designed to keep you balanced, comfortable, and in control. And let's not forget the style. Sleek and modern, the Invincible 3 looks just as good as it feels. The plastic heel support has been trimmed down, giving you a more flexible fit while still locking in your heel for a secure ride. In short, if you want a running shoe that delivers on cushioning, stability, and style, the Nike Zoom X Invincible 3 is ready to go the distance with you. Just remember, every runner is different. Your stride, foot type, and running routine all matter. Try a few options and see what feels right. But if comfort and performance top your list, this shoe is definitely worth a test run. Number 2. ASICS Glide Ride 3 Running Shoes. Looking for a shoe that brings comfort, speed, and support all in one? You're in the right place. The ASICS Glide Ride 3 is built to give you smooth, powerful runs, whether you're training hard or just out for a daily jog. Let's start from the ground up. The rubber sole is designed to keep you steady, no matter the surface. ASICS added a winged nylon plate that centers and supports your foot like a pro. It's built for daily training, so whether you're on the road or the track, you'll feel locked in and ready to move. What really sets the Glide Ride 3 apart is its updated geometry. ASICS fine-tuned the design to make every stride feel smoother and more efficient. The result? Better transitions and that perfect pop when you push off. Ideal for speed workouts and tempo runs. Comfort wasn't an afterthought. The upper has been completely revamped for a snug, flexible fit that moves with you. It cradles your foot from heel to toe, and the breathable material keeps your feet cool and dry, even on long runs. No matter where you run, it's asphalt, gravel, or gym floors, the Glide Ride 3 holds its grip. The traction is consistent and dependable, so you can focus on your pace, not your footing. The best part? These shoes are built for it all. Long-distance runs, speed intervals, or anything in between, this is the all-rounder you've been looking for. Cushioned enough for endurance, yet light and responsive when you want to pick up the pace? The ASICS Glide Ride 3 delivers comfort, support, and speed in one sleek package. Perfect for runners of all levels. Already laced up a pair? Share your experience in the comments. We'd love to hear how they worked for you. Number 3. Hoka Clifton 9 Running Shoes. Ready to take your running game to the next level? The Hoka Clifton 9 is here to help you train harder, run faster, and feel better with every stride. With exciting new updates, this shoe isn't just an upgrade, it's a game changer. Let's start with one of the biggest innovations. A reimagined winged nylon plate made from tough textile polyurethane. It wraps around your foot for extra support, giving you the stability you need on daily runs or long training sessions. Whether you're pounding the pavement or going the distance, this feature helps you stay steady and confident. The Clifton 9 also features a fresh new geometry that creates a smoother, more responsive ride. It's designed to flow naturally with your stride, offering better cushioning and impact protection. That means less stress on your joints and more energy to keep moving. If you love the feeling of effortless motion, this is your shoe. Looking to boost your speed? The updated design adds more pop and spring to each step, giving you that extra push during fast runs or interval training. You'll feel a noticeable energy return as you push off the ground. Perfect for anyone chasing a new PR. Comfort hasn't taken a backseat either. The Clifton 9's fully redesigned upper hugs your foot from heel to toe. It's secure, breathable, and flexible, delivering a glove-like fit that helps reduce fatigue on long runs. Whether you're just starting out or already logging serious miles, the Clifton 9 is built for all levels. It combines support, speed, and all-day comfort in a lightweight design that won't slow you down. So why wait? Lace up the Hoka Clifton 9 and feel the difference. From daily training to race day, these shoes are made to help you go farther, faster, and stronger. Number 4. Saucony Endorphin Speed 3 Running Shoes. If you're a runner looking for your next go-to shoe, the Saucony Endorphin Speed 3 is creating serious buzz, and for good reason. Whether you're training daily or chasing a new personal best, this shoe is designed to help you perform at your peak. What sets it apart? First, the reimagined S-curve winged nylon plate. It centers your foot while you run, giving you extra stability without sacrificing speed. That added control makes each stride feel smoother, more balanced, and a lot more enjoyable, especially during longer runs. Saucony didn't stop there. The updated geometry of the Speed 3 gives you more bounce with every step. It's got that perfect mix of pop and spring, making it just as effective for short sprints as it is for longer efforts. You'll feel that extra energy boost, helping you stay quick and light on your feet. The upper of the shoe has been completely redesigned too. It fits like a high-performance sock, snug, breathable, and secure. From heel to toe, your foot feels wrapped and supported without any unwanted pressure. Whether you're out for a quick jog or logging serious mileage, comfort stays locked in. What really makes the Endorphin Speed 3 stand out is its versatility. It's fast and responsive for tempo runs and intervals, yet durable and cushioned enough for daily training. It adapts to whatever your running day looks like, making it a reliable partner for all kinds of workouts. And speaking of reliability, these shoes are built to last. The outsole and midsole are tough enough to handle consistent use, so you won't be replacing them anytime soon. That means more miles, more progress, and more value. In short, the Saucony Endorphin Speed 3 delivers where it counts: support, speed, comfort, and durability. If you're ready to elevate your running experience, this might just be the perfect pair to get you there. Give them a try and hit the road with confidence. Number 5. New Balance Fuel Cell Rebel V3 Running Shoes. If you're searching for a lightweight running shoe that feels fast, smooth, and full of energy, stick with me, because the New Balance Fuel Cell Rebel V3 might just be your new favorite. What really makes this shoe shine is the fuel cell foam. It's super responsive and gives you that satisfying bounce with every step. Whether you're doing speed work or just heading out for a daily run, this foam is built to propel you forward and keep your stride feeling light and powerful. The upper is made from a breathable, engineered knit that's flexible and ultra-light. No heavy materials here, just comfort and ventilation to keep your feet cool, even on long runs. Plus, the no-sew overlays add a sleek look while preventing any rubbing or irritation. One feature I absolutely love is the gusseted tongue. It hugs your foot for a secure, stay-put fit, which means no slipping or adjusting mid-run. It also adds to the Rebel V3's smooth, streamlined design. The lacing system is simple but effective. Once you tie them up, your feet feel locked in and supported. That snug fit helps cut down on unwanted movement, which can mean fewer blisters and more comfortable miles. And let's not forget the 6mm drop. It hits a sweet spot that offers balance, low enough for speed, but with enough cushion for daily training. While there may be slight differences in drop due to manufacturing, the performance stays consistently impressive. Bottom line, the Rebel V3 is built for runners who want a fast, responsive ride without sacrificing comfort. Every detail, from the foam to the fit, works together to give you an energized experience on the road. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you want to see more videos like this, check out the ones on your screen right now. See you in the next video.